Welcome to the installation video for the Connector Products Optical Ground Wire Dead End Assembly. Ensure the correct dead end is being used based on the conductor diameter. Connector Products uses a UV-protected sticker on the cap to note the diameter range of the assembly and to ensure the ease of identifying. Attach a come-along using your company's approved construction methods to allow enough slack in the conductor that you can work with. Remove the clevis pin from the rear of the assembly and bring the dead end assembly underneath the conductor, laying it into the groove of the dead end. Reinsert the clevis pin to complete this step. Remove the bolts from one side of the entire assembly while loosening the other side. In some cases, the entire top may need to be removed to insert the conductor properly. Ensure the conductor is laying straight and true in the body of the assembly. Starting at the span side of the dead end assembly, begin tightening each bolt evenly. It is important to tighten each side evenly to ensure proper torque is applied. Connector Products recommends tightening each bolt 5 foot-pounds each time. Continue this process until the shear head begins to shear off. This will occur between 28 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. This can be completed using a hand socket or wrench or an impact gun. Once the bolt heads have sheared off, installation is complete and the come-along can be removed. The Connector Products Optical Ground Wire assembly also includes this grounding lug located on the side of the body, as well as an optical down guide for the conductor to be directed down the structure. Full installation will be complete once these steps are completed according to your company construction standards.